Okay, welcome back, and hopefully you had a break, have a great break so far. Today I'm gonna start recording the general maths chapter 8a, graphs and networks. So before that, I want you guys make sure to finish your math based questions and then get ready for chapter 4 SAT, and then hopefully you guys are able to do that. Um, Now let's get in start the term two, the first lesson, which is gonna do the chapter 8. And we're gonna learn some vertex, edge, and loop, and about graphs and things and so on. So before that, I want you guys to know what is a graph calling. So uh, okay. So for example, we learned the graphs before and just touch on the basics before was like remember the roads and town A to C, the difference A and B and C. Computers are connected to the internet and so on, and people are connected to each other and networks and on social medias and so on. The diagram that's showing the connections is called graph. Lines and points, that looks like a graph. And the graph elements and definition. So we know about the graph is a diagram that consistent to set the points, vertex, and edges, and they call the lines is called the edges, vertex is called the points. So the graph are using to show the five people like Anna, Brett, Kara, Daryl, and Ethan. So we connect the social media website looks like. Ethan connect to the Brett, and Anna connect to the Kara and Brett, and Daryl connect to the Kara and Brett. So we have five verdicts and five people, pretty much. And the verdicts means the five people, and six ages representing six connections between the people. So here is the details about the connections between the graphs and also the the friends between them. So, and we keep going. And then here is some details about the graph as well. So we're gonna have a loop. So we're gonna learn what a loop means. So loop are actually representing the point A to point B, and we're going from point A back to the point A. So that's a loop. So a loop is an edge in a graph that join the vertex and in the graph itself. So which means like circle. And we had a multiple edges, which is point A to point B, using the different edges. That's called multiple edges. And degrees of the vertex, which is the edge attached to the vertex, which is like the degree. We say degree of vertex A, the writing like a degree A. So we can say degree of A, how many lines we have, how many edges we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say degree A equal to 4. So B is 2 and C is 3 because actually C is 4. So we can say a loop contribute 2 degrees to the vertex because a loop attached the both ends. So which means that counting 2. Okay, so 1, 2 plus 2. So degree of C is equal to 4. And degree of D, so we only have 2 edges, multiple edges to A, so which is 2. So in any graph, the sum of degrees of vertex equal to twice the numbers of the edges. So which is true. So any graph of sum of the degrees, the vertex equal to twice the numbers of the edges. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in total, and 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. So that equal to 12, so which is twice a numbers of age. Yeah. And so we say the even, so the vertex is even and degrees are even. Degrees of vertex are even. So vertex are even, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Four vertex is even number. And the degree of the vertex will be an even number as well. So 12 degrees will be even number. And we say the vertex are odd, and your degree will be odd. Okay, so just some like classify the graph and the networks. For example, this one. So there are 3 vertices, and there are 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the multiple edges between the G and H, so which is 1 and 2. And degrade the vertex, so we say is actually 3. So 2 plus 1. So that's a 3 for F. And the degree of the vertex G is 3 as well. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and H is 2. So adding all together is 8 degrees, which means is the even number. And also the age is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 2 equals to 8, so which is twice the number of the ages. Perfect. All right, let's try the examples together. So on this one, first question, how many vertices are in these questions? Clearly, we have a 3. So 3 vertices. And how many edges does the graph have? How many edges? So let's try to have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a 4 edges. Remember, loop are counting 1 edges, okay? But in degree, it's counting 2. So the question C, what's the degree for the vertex A? So the degree for the vertex A is actually 2. So we say question A is equal to 2. And degree for B are equal to 1, 2, and the counting 2, so it's 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal to 4. And so we say sum of the degree, so which is we need to find the degree C. So degree C are equal to 1 and 2, so which is 2. And so question E for this, sum of degree equal to 2 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 8, which is twice of the edges. So hopefully you guys know understanding about the graph now, and I want you guys to try this question by yourself and tell me what your thoughts. And I will see you guys next time in 8B, so which is we're gonna learn what is the matrix with the graph.